Hello, in this video I'm gonna get you through all of the setup for first startup of Stalker 2. After turning on the game, you need to press a button, then you'll get this end user license agreement. You'll need to read it, scroll all the way down. And when you scroll all the way down, you can click on accept, but before that you can decide whether you want to send analytics by clicking on Q or E on your keyboard, and it toggles off or on. I'm gonna agree to that, then click on F to accept. And now for first launch you need to adjust these settings, which is gonna be the text language. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Voiceover language, gamma, to adjust your screen's brightness and color correction. You can adjust it by sliding this slider. Then here is color correction for protanopia, deuteranopia and tritanopia, and dynamic range. So you can set it depending on your speakers. Then click on F to apply. If you get this message, click on F to close. And now click on New Game. Now you can select a slot for the for your game save. I'm gonna select slot 1, and now you can select the difficulty. Rookie is the easiest one for beginners, Stalker is the medium one, and Veteran is for advanced players. I'm going to choose Rookie, then read this message and click on F to continue. Now you can see this cutscene. You can hold space to skip. And now you're in the game. You have missions in the left top corner, and some tips at the bottom. It says to use L to activate flashlight, left shift to sprint, and you can start your game that way. When you click on escape, you enter the game menu, and to quit your game, click on quit. Then choose whether you want to select if you accept unsaved progress, but if you want to save the game before quitting, click on save, then F to save, and now you can click on escape to go back, and you can quit or exit to main menu. I'm gonna exit to main menu, then click on accept. And that's it about the first startup of the game. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.